What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and today we're going to go over a virtual tour of our server so everybody knows exactly what we have. We got tons of content, guys. It is truly a one-stop shop, and we're very proud to have this server. A lot of fantastic members, and we want to share it with the rest of the world so you guys know exactly what's up. And when you come over to our house, you guys know how to navigate and you know exactly what we offer. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into it right now. I'm going to go ahead and stop my video so you can focus just on the screen. And first things we're going to talk about is main announcements. And here, the main announcements tab, these are open to every member that we have on the Discord, okay? And we have main announcement, class announcement, and promotional announcement, as well as our Traders War Room video feed. Now, some of these are going to be admin privilege only. Of course, I'm an admin and creator and owner of the server, so I'll see it. But some of the stuff you won't quite see, but we're going to go over the stuff that you guys will see as different members. But main announcement, guys, this is stuff that we want to push out to the masses, okay? We like to highlight our wins in the live trading room, and we like to highlight information that pushes a lot of great things out to people, and also highlight the members, you know, saying thank yous and stuff like that. Class announcements, we go ahead and we push with the different class announcements that we have coming up. Right now, we got the supply and demand zone classes that we have going on actually today at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, and this is where we either put our little flyer, promotional video, and information on how to subscribe and to get the class, and also to our website. Promotional, it just sounds what it is. It's basically things that we're highlighting as promotions for the server, talking about the one-stop shop, talking about different things, just good information generally on promoting the server as a whole and other platforms that Traders War Room is on. And then, of course, you got our TWR only YouTube feed, guys. This is only going to have Traders War Room YouTube videos right here. So if you guys like to follow us and you want a one place for all of our videos, they all go right here, and it's a fantastic thing. So moving on. First of all, as a free member, you get all access to these things. When you come into the server as a brand new person, you're going to see our welcome. And we got the terms of use. We got our vision statement, the team that we have of analysts, testimonials, wall gains, upgrading information, giveaways, social media, and customer support, and the invite link. So let's go ahead and go into this because this is most important. A lot of people don't click this and they wonder why they can't talk in certain chat groups. Well, we have a terms of use, guys. Basically, it's the no hate, no bullying, no belittling, follow the rules, and you'll be just fine and dandy. But you guys have to click this thumbs up right here in order to get the free member role. And once you get the free member role, then some channels will open up so that you can comment in them. I have premium members that just go straight to the upgrade, which is okay, but they wonder why they're not able to chat in certain groups. Well, the reason is because they don't have the free members, so they got to come in here, click the thumbs up, agree to the terms of being inside of our service, and we got terms and conditions here and an external copy as well. And once they do that, they're off and running. They can chat pretty much in every place that a free member is allowed to chat in. Now, we got our vision statement. This is important as well because this gives you the nuts and bolts of what we're about. Now, this has not changed. The only thing that's changed since the market's been doing what it's doing is how we actually execute our vision statements. But it's all the same thing. The stock market, we look at it like a war zone: attack, conquer, destroy, no matter what direction it goes. And our 4 pillars of success: planning, training, managing, securing. All of that is the same thing, with the goal to be better prepared today than we were yesterday. So definitely, this is our vision statement of what we're trying to accomplish here at Traders War Room. You can go into our team, look at everybody that's on our roster that we have. We have over 25 analysts that are pushing out real-time buy and sell alerts and just chart DD, good information, you name it, we got it over here. Testimonials, real testimonies from people, guys. Okay, we're not just plugging in these testimonies and having people talk about things. Okay, these are real people that are giving shout outs and letting other people know what we're doing right and giving us feedback. And that's important so that we can consistently evolve and educate and get better and better as the time moves on. Wallet gains, we created this because we wanted to highlight people's profits. When they get a good profit, they highlight the analyst that gave them the tip, or they might have done the tip themselves, but we want to highlight them here. So we created the wall gain so people can come in here and push out the information. And as you see, we're pretty active. People pushing, good trades that they got into, and we're going to respond to them, let them know that they did a fantastic job. Upgrade here, guys. Now this is the meat and potatoes of what truly matters as far as getting the alerts in this particular server. You guys go in here, you read what type of upgrade tiers that we have. We have 3 right now. We got a basic gold and then a premium diamond, and we got something for everybody. Now, we also say that you can come in as a free member and utilize our free resources, which we're going to go over in just a minute. But if you really want everything that we offer, man, we do that. We're a paid service, so we do push that through the upgrade stuff. So what a lot of times people do is they come over as a free member, they lurk around for a little bit, utilize these resources right here, some great resources, follow the chat groups, and then eventually they decide they're going to go ahead and become a premium member, and they come and get some with us. And that's the end goal of it, guys, is just to be better prepared today than we were yesterday and have tools to make us lethal in the market. Now let's move into some of the free resources that people will get once they become a free member. So we got, different chat groups here. We got virtual tour. This video will go in this virtual tour, but anytime we do a highlight video of something new or whatever, we're going to put that in the virtual tour room. We got ideas on how to mute unwanted channels, especially since we offer so much. There's a lot of pings and dings that come. We want people not to feel overwhelmed. So we put in an idea of how to mute unwanted channels. We also take server suggestions from free members. Okay, it's not just premium members that we want server suggestions. Sometimes we get a lot of great feedback from free members like, hey, if you had this in the server, I'd become a premium member. And so a lot of times we'll call them on their bluff and we'll go ahead and add it in there, and we see if they actually come in to the server. But if not, you know what? It's okay, because it's going to benefit the other people as well. We got glossary of terms. Anytime you want to learn about some stock market terms and stuff like that, you can come in here and check this out. We got analyst ratings, earnings report, YouTube investing. Now this is a nice one. I took a whole bunch of influential YouTube video influencers, and I added them into one room, guys. This has a whole bunch of just everything, man, from tasty trades to tip ranks to people that I follow on the daily. So definitely a very fantastic wealth of knowledge from different people pushing out information on YouTube, and all in one place. We got a TWR accountant. Now he's not as busy right now because for the most part the accounting and tax season is done, but anytime you got tax questions or anything, you come into this room, boom, go ahead and hit this guy up right here, and he'll get back to you on an information basis and just answer simple questions. Okay, he's a real live bona fide accountant, and he's definitely a wealth of knowledge for Traders War Room. And it's not just about making money, guys. We want body, mind, and soul. So we have a wealth, health, and welfare channel, guys, pushing out great information about different things that are making people healthy, making their bodies healthy, their minds healthy, their souls healthy, and stuff like that. And then we have a couple different people that push information in a group for free that enjoy doing it. So Mario is one of those guys. He comes in here and he pushes information about the SPY and the indexes. Just a great kind of a battle up brief, if you will, just pushing information that people find interesting and gives, certain levels on how the market's reacting. Moving on, we got our class information. Anytime you want information on classes or how to get classes, either upcoming or historical classes, you can go in here, you can check it out. Also, if you need mentoring, you can come in here and you can go to our mentoring website and find out, how to schedule a Traders War Room one-on-one, guys. Especially right now, we are booking out like huge, because a lot of people got questions, a lot of people want answers, a lot of people want a deep dive, especially in the dips in the market. They want to understand how to be better and ready for when the market turns. And so we provide that services to people for a fee, and you can book your session right here. Go in here, you click it, you follow the prompts, and we'll get you squared away and execute your session. And you guys get to keep the recorded copy of your Traders War Room one-on-one mentoring session. You can also request classes. If you got a class that you want us to put on, a lot of our classes, we don't just think up the ideas. We take information and suggestions from you, the people, and then we make the class so that people have something of value and worth. So definitely interesting there. Now let's get into Premium Diamond, guys. This is our top tier, and this is fantastic, guys. We got live pre-market show that goes on Monday through Friday. We got live trading bell to bell. We got live trading from different analysts as well. Now, All these are done via Zoom. Okay, so inside here you see little chatting and stuff, but basically the Zoom links are in here and we push it out, and so that people can come into this room as a Diamond member and click the link at any time that one of these live showings is going on, and they can go get some live trading and live information right then and there, guys. And then of course we got a live trading bell to bell. I don't know another server that does this, but from bell to bell in the market, and actually a little bit before the bell and a little bit after the bell, but basically bell to bell, you can come into our live trading room anytime you want throughout the day, and you can gain perspective and see how professional traders are trading right then and there, guys. Of course, we take some bathroom breaks and some lunch breaks and stuff like that, but pretty much anytime you come in there, other than maybe a little bit of 20-minute, maybe 15-minute downtime, we're going to be in there. And regardless, if we're not currently right at the screen when you're coming, rest assured, as soon as we get out of the bathroom or we get our drink out of the refrigerator, whatever, we're going to be right back there answering your questions, giving you real-time live perspective on the market and making trades, man. And we do fairly active. We're about a 90% win rate inside of the live trading, and we push anywhere between 7 to 15 trades in a day. So very active and a great knowledge, especially for people that need a little bit of a hands-on approach to understanding how to trade. And we got a premium private chat for the Diamond. We got self bots. We use the data quant bot for the premium one. We paid the premium money for the data quant. We want it, so we use it in the Discord. We also got an SPX and the NDX algo. Guys, this is fantastic because this algo right here was created by us, proprietary algorithm that watches and scans the SPX and the NDX. And for us that know what those are, right, the NDX is following the NASDAQ, the SPX is following the S&P 500. And this bot pushes out longs and short ideas and gives you even contracts on options that potentially you may want to follow. Now, this doesn't just have to be a SPY or the Q type of contract, right? Any of the liquid stocks that are moving inside of those particular indexes would be good to go. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Facebook, you name it, guys. All those are good to go as well, but we're giving you guys an idea. The NDX, we're going to push out the Qs. The SPX, we're going to push out the SPY. And we're just giving you guys that great information by a neutral person. So not emotional based, just straight technical, being our AI trade signal bot. Fantastic wealth of knowledge right here and making people a lot of money, guys. All right, let's go into the futures. This is brand new. We're still developing this, but we're starting to push this out more and more. We're going to push this out full steam at June 1st, but this is our futures trading bot. And what we're doing just for premium Diamond members, we're pushing out futures alerts, okay? People are going to be able to go in here, and they're going to be able to see alerts and navigate the futures market. It's an extremely hot market right now. Not too many people are doing futures trading, and definitely if you're interested in wanting to trade futures, you need to come on board with the Traders War Room Diamond tier so that you can get yourself some of these futures, because this is big money. You actually get 10 times the exposure in the market than you do with regular options, and specifically with regular equities trading those. Okay, so futures is definitely a very popular and lucrative way to make some money in the market. And just for premium Diamond, just because I wanted to spice it up a little bit, I went ahead and got a sports betting guy coming over here to push out sports bets. And this guy's on fire, okay? He does a fantastic job. And because I didn't want it just to be stocks and options and crypto and Forex and stuff like that, I wanted to give some people some other stuff. So we brought in the sports betting, and this guy's fantastic. I made a lot of money with him utilizing DraftKings and sports betting and just, some of the tips he gave. And it's fantastic wealth of knowledge, and it's something a little bit different, and it's fun outside of just the regular realm of stocks, options, equities and derivatives, futures and Forex and stuff like that. All right, now let's get into the knowledge-based stuff of what you get with the premium Diamond. So we have the data quant information. We paid the premium price, and we got all these data quant things, and it goes into the golden sweeps, where you'll find, big money moves. These are the whales, right? These are whales that are pushing in information, giving us good ideas on what looks good. Big money that's pushing out stuff, things that can move the needle and stuff like that. It's talking about, golden sweep of SPY, giving you the put, telling you the sentiment. It's basically where the big money is flowing. That's how you read the golden sweeps. Dark pool, we got the dark pool stuff coming in here. This is giving you guys the big institutional binds that have their own little market pool that we don't have access to. It's giving you guys the trades that happen in the dark pool. Now this is delayed a little bit. I think it's like a 5 minute, maybe 10 minute delay, but that's because the information has to go in the dark pool, get processed, and then it gets pushed out. But this again is where big money is flowing and can give you a sentiment on the different stocks that everyone likes. Okay, as you can see, we got a CF here. It's red, so it's a bullish stance on it. Went ahead and gave you the time, the amount, and we're looking at like $30 million notional value. Okay, SPY, a bearish stance on this one. Red tells us bearish, green tells us bullish, and again, $38 million on SPY to the bear side. Okay, so this is fantastic knowledge, giving you guys information that can really drive needles and push sentiment one way or the other. Quant Alerts is their AI version of alerts, just giving you guys the same stuff that all the other AI bot type things give you, giving you a bullish or a bearish and giving you reference points so that you can make educated decisions getting in. Unusual options, of course, these are the unusual options that are pushing out that might be interested to people, especially option traders. Excuse me. Oh man, oh, sorry, I had to sneeze. But this is unusual options, okay? And unusual options follow into SPX, to the put side, just giving you guys the sentiment. Guys, all these data quant things over here, all these are giving you where the big money is flowing and the sentiment so that you guys can follow the money. We tell you guys this all the time. Follow the big money, follow the big money, follow the big money, okay? The big money is what moves the needles, okay? If most of the big money is pushing to the put side, you want to probably start thinking that it's a bearish stance, okay? If the money start going to the bull side, you can probably start thinking that there's starting to be a bull stance, okay? So we got to pay attention to those, and it definitely gives information. Here we got market halts. Different things halt for different reasons, but this is giving you an idea. I use this one mainly for penny stocks. Sometimes when a market halts on a penny stock, you give a good opportunity to get in for a really decent price and ride something up for super explosive profits, in and out type of scalping thing. But it'll give you market halts on what's halting, the reference code, so you can do some service and read up on it. And then we got some news. Now the news one, I don't really like the way Data Quant does the news, but you get all this other great information here, and then of course you get some just little highlights. But basically, what this does is just gives little highlights. Okay, anytime you click on this, it's going to take you to another website where you have to have a different account and stuff like that. But what we do is we use these for the top news of fintech and beyond, and then it gives you tickers that are inside the thing. This is the important part. So we take the tickers. We got the tags, it's fintech. We take the tickers and we start researching what's moving, why it's moving, why is it interesting. And we can do research like that. It's really a good thing for catching different trends on different particular stocks because it's giving you the information as far as what's going on. Example, Kathy Wood sees technology accelerating GDP growth of 50% per year, talking about SPY, right? Well, we know that SPY, of course, is the S&P 500. And, we're paying attention to that because a lot of our favorite growth stocks are in that one, which happen to be technology. But we also pay attention to the Qs because the Q is pretty much primarily technology. So definitely information can give and generate thought-provoking content. That's the basic formula. All right, moving on to our next tier that we're going to talk about. This is the premium basic. And so basically what you get for $15 a month is you get daily watch lists, you get a trending watch list, and then you get daily stock alerts. Okay. Now, these are fantastic because what you get with these daily trending watch lists is you get a trigger-based watch list. And the reason why people like these is because it gives you both a top and bottom level so that you can make educated decisions. So as you see, the watch list that came out on Friday had, usually 5 stocks: Tesla, AMD, Coins, Snap, and Roku. And what it does is it gives you top and bottom levels so you can make some decent money off both calls and puts, but also levels that you can potentially get in the stock, right? So Snap is one of those. I'm not playing options on it, but anytime on dips, I'm buying stock on the low. And so what it's doing is giving me a reference point. Okay, 2310 is the low point. So I'm paying attention to any dips that goes down to that level. I'm paying attention to it and I'm scooping up some shares, 5 shares, 10 shares, 15 shares. Other things that are a little more expensive that can move a little more dramatically, I'm paying attention to, Tesla, especially puts right now is making huge money on Tesla. AMD, we're looking for probably a retest of some bottom levels in AMD. So it's just a wealth of knowledge given you. Now the trending weekly stock list, this is giving you a real big breakdown into, so we'll go over next week. Stock list, the weekly stock lists come out on Sundays. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like, just so you can understand. Now, this is the premium basic. $15 gets you this type of stuff, right? But if you have the higher echelon tiers, the lower tiers are all covered in the higher echelon. So the gold will have the basic plus the gold, and the diamond will have the gold, basic, and the diamond. But guys, this is a fantastic weekly watch list. I mean, you got hyperlinks here to take you to different things, giving you technical analysis, broad market. I mean, this goes real in depth, and this is fantastic for people that want a little bit more than just the stock buy and sells. They want to understand what they're buying and selling. Excuse me, allergies. But yeah, this is what's coming down. And I mean, it's a fantastic wealth of knowledge, has economic updates. Guys, this is really something special going on with this particular thing right here. So I just wanted to highlight that real quick. Let's go ahead and go back to where we're at. All right, let's talk about our AI bots. Okay, these are intraday bots. And right now, we got 3 of them. We got 2 that we're working on right now and developing. But right now, the intraday bot is the one that's making money, guys. And this thing is fantastic. And as you can see, it's various tickers. Okay, it's not just it's a proprietary bot, but it's giving out different tickers. Basically, when a ticker meets the criteria that we set in our algorithm, it's going to shoot out a reference point. It's giving you guys, example, this long forward at this reference price, right? Now, it's not going to tell you option contracts. This is important because we want people to be able to purchase stock or options with these. So we just are using the underlying asset reference point, and it's telling you how many trades it's had in the past year with what type of win rate. So we know that there's 10 trades closed with 100% win rate on going long and forward. So it's a fantastic wealth of knowledge. This thing right in itself is one of the reasons why most people go with the gold premium membership, because they love this bot and it takes the guesswork out of it. It's going to spit out the tickers that meet the criteria, and it's so active that there's multiple tickers. So you don't just have to wait for a certain one, man. Just wait a few moments and another ticker is going to come out with some reference levels and a good entry point for you guys to get it. So definitely something to think about when you're coming in on to the Traders War Room team. Now let's talk about the trading floors. Okay, we got a couple different trading floors. We got the free member trading floor where people that come in, they agree to the terms, they can become free members and chat in that group. And we have some journeyman analysts that push free alerts in there. But in order to get talking ability into these other chat groups, Shiner's trading floor to Chuck Fu's trading floor, you guys have to be premium members. You can watch, you can view, especially my floor, you can view the interaction, but you can't talk and interact unless you're a premium member. You only do that on the free member side. And so what we want to encourage people is lurk around, see what's going on, get some good information, and then when you guys are ready to come make some money and quit wasting time, you guys upgrade to the premium side of the house and you become more family over there. Now let's talk about premium alerts, guys, because that's really what you guys are really wanting to hear is what kind of alerts we have. Okay, the live trading and stuff like that, that's fantastic. And a lot of people that really want to learn and grow investing, actually make some serious money, the diamond is where they head towards, because we got the alerts plus the live trading. But those that are just kind of casual and they want to make a little, a little $25 here, a little $100 pop here, they go with the gold, and that's perfectly fine. You guys got the gold. We got tons of things for you, man, and we got all these analysts pushing out alerts, guys. As you can see, these are option day alerts. We got, you come here, you can choose your analyst or you can get them all, and we got them all right here, man, pushing out tons of alerts. We got the option swings right here with some challenges. All these guys are good for swing trades on their options. We got the option small accounts. These guys are, mainly go with the cheaper type of stocks and for smaller accounts, but fantastic. We got the option spreads, doing spreads and leaps. right here, making people money in different various ways. And then we got our stock guys, okay, people that are doing stock alerts. Because not everyone's into, derivatives. They want to also trade equities. And we got you covered, man. We got different people pushing out just stock alerts. And then we got our crypto and the Forex gang for people that want to trade, some more speculative things and stuff like that. So we got something for everybody. Like I said, a true one-stop shop, something for everybody. We have a little lounge for people to chit chat. They can use a self-charting bots and they can self-promote. We want to highlight people who have entrepreneurship and businesses outside of our trading community, and we want to help them, maybe drive some, some business their way. So we allow people to self-promote as long as they're a premium member. We also have some highlighted influences out there, trading wars, stock option with Coles, just basically the tweets side of the house that are pushing out information from popular and influential investors and traders. And we got ticker on charts that are pushing fantastic charts with a lot of great information. And then we have news feeds over here, the earnings feeds, giving more a little in-depth on what's happening with the earnings feeds, economic updates, just of random various market news feeds that push different things for Forbes, Yahoo, stuff like that, Biofarm and EV news. And then we got our self-developing center where we got trading videos, reading manuals, and trading illustrations. Guys, truly something for everybody. And we want people to invest in themselves. We hope they do a Traders War Room. And we think we have a fantastic server. We want to share it with the world, guys. So with that said, we just went over this entire server. I want to say to you guys, what are you waiting for? Quit wasting money that doesn't make money. We want you to invest in yourself. And hopefully you just saw absolutely everything we offer here at Traders War Room. Guys, we got something for everybody and every budget. Come join us today, check us out, and let's go get it together. Guys, with that said, remember, we're looking at the stock market like a war zone. The stocks in the sector, those are our battles. We do it together as a team, attack, conquer, and destroy, just like in our vision statement, and we're always going to war. If you're ready to rock with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me. Let's go to war together. I'll see you next time, guys. Check it out, traderswarroom.com. We got all the links there, or you can hit up the description tab below, and you can come straight on board into the Discord, and we'll get you squared away. Until next time, guys, take care. Peace.